Hey friends, who's hungry? Twice baked potatoes are a satisfying side dish perfect for summer cookouts. First, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Line a baking sheet with foil and coat with cooking spray. Rinse russet potatoes under cold water, then poke several small holes into the potatoes with a fork. Brush the outside of the potatoes with olive oil, then season with a mixture of salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Bake the potatoes for 35 minutes, then remove them from the oven and allow them to cool. Once the potatoes are cool enough to handle, cut each potato in half. Using a large spoon, scoop out the inside of the potatoes. Be sure to leave about a ½ inch border around the inside of each skin. Mash the inside of the potatoes, then add milk, sour cream, and softened butter. Stir until everything is combined. Next, add shredded cheddar, bacon bits, and green onions. Stir again until everything is evenly mixed. Spoon even amounts of the potato mixture back into the hollowed out potato skins. Sprinkle with additional shredded cheddar cheese. Then return the potatoes to the oven and bake for an additional 10 minutes until the potatoes are heated through and the cheese is melted.